Welcome to Algebra Basics. Today, we are going to learn exactly what an x-intercept is. If you have ever looked at a graph and seen a line crossing the horizontal axis, you have already seen one. Let's break down exactly what it means and how to find it. So, what is an x-intercept? Simply put, it is the precise point where a graph crosses the x-axis. You can think of the x-axis as the ground level of a graph. The moment your line hits that ground, that intersection point is your x-intercept. Here is the most important rule you need to remember. At any x-intercept, the y value is always 0. No matter where the point lies on the x-axis, it has not moved up or down, so its vertical coordinate, or y, must be 0. This is the golden rule for solving these problems. Let's apply this rule to a real equation. Suppose we have the equation y equals 2x minus 4. Our goal is to find the x-intercept. Remember our rule? To find the x-intercept, we need to find the value of x specifically when y is 0. Step 1 is simple substitution. Take your equation and replace the letter y with the number 0. Now, instead of y equals 2x minus 4, we have the equation 0 equals 2x minus 4. This sets up the problem for us to solve. Now we need to get x by itself. To do this, we use inverse operations. Since we have a minus 4, we will add 4 to both sides of the equation to balance it out. This cancels out the negative 4 on the right side. We are now left with 4 equals 2x. To completely isolate x, we need to divide both sides by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, we find that x equals 2. We have our answer. The x value is 2. Since we started by setting y to 0, our final coordinate pair is 2, 0. This is the exact point where the line crosses the x-axis. Let's quickly recap. 1. The x-intercept is where the line crosses the x-axis. 2. At this location, y is always 0. And 3. You find it by substituting 0 for y and solving the algebra equation for x. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.